Hello kids, welcome to our fun learning video. Today we are going to learn numbers from 1 to 10 with colorful cute objects. Are you ready? Let's start. Oh, number 1. One big bright colored balloon. Can you say 1? Yes, great job. Number 2. Two happy ducks. Let's count together. One, two. Yes, two. One, two. Well done. Now let's see three. Three beautiful butterflies. Let's count them. One, two, three. Yes, good counting. Now next, number four. Four shiny stars in the sky. Let's count together. One, two, three, four. Yes, very good. Four. Now here, five yummy fruits. Count with me. One, two, three, four, five. Yes, good job. Five fruits. Next one is six. Six tiny fish swimming happily. Let's count with me. One, two, three, four, five, six. Very good counting. It's a six number. Now number seven. Seven colorful balloons floating up. Ready? Count with me. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Very good. Good counting. Now, number 8. Wow, here see 8 delicious cupcakes. Let's count them slowly. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8. Very good. Good job. Now, 9. 9 bouncing balls. Let's count them together. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9. Very good. Good counting. It's a 9 number. Now 10. 10 pretty flowers in a row. Let's count them. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, amazing. It's 10 number. You did a colorful, wonderful job today. You learned all the numbers from 1 to 10. Give yourself a big clap. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye bye.